Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing where ruins appear, ocean and deep ocean biomass. Equip a boat, food, and night vision or potion to see underwater wrecks. Once done, use a map or compass, and if available, elytra to traverse large ocean swaths. This is faster than random swimming. Make sure to note coordinates as you scan so you can return. Begin mapping a grid pattern across the ocean surface and scout systematically rather than hoping to stumble on a ruin. You continue by detecting subtle surface signs, dark wood or stone outlines and floating wreckage. Swim low and watch for air pockets and mob sounds. Those can signal cavities where ruins hide. Once spotted, approach carefully, make a temporary conduit, or open a pocket with a shovel to create breathable space. Make sure to mark the entry with torches or signs so you can exit safely. Keep an eye on currents and bubble columns, which can push you into or out of wreck areas. You finish by clearing rooms and checking every chest and crevice for map fragments and buried loot. Move methodically so you don't miss hidden caches. Collect food and repair materials first. Once looted, retrace marked paths and use your boat or conduit power to exit quickly. If things go wrong and you're trapped, create a one-block air pocket with a door or sign, or place a respawn anchor if available. If mobs block the exit, backtrack to your marked torch line and use healing items to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.